Hello everyone, welcome to the CyberTech. What is port forwarding and why do we need it? We are going to discuss port forwarding, guys, today, and I will actually teach you. We're gonna learn together how to do port forwarding. So before we jump into port forwarding, let's have some theory for 1 minute to know about what exactly port forwarding is and why do we need it. So basically, port forwarding is a networking technique that allows data traffic to be directed from one network device, such as your router, to another device within a local network. What does it mean by local network? Actually, it is primarily used for two main reasons: remote access and hosting services. What does it mean by remote access? Port forwarding actually enables you to access devices or services on your local network from outside your network, typically over the internet. Let's try to understand it with example. You might want to, for example, access a security camera or a web server or an online game server based on device within your home network while you are away. So here comes port forwarding. Port forwarding forwards specific incoming traffic data packets from the router external IP address to the appropriate device on your local network, making remote accessible. What does that mean? Okay, let's try to understand in simple words. Let's say there are Bob and Alex. Bob and Alex are sharing a hotspot. They are on the same network at home, and Bob needs to go to the market. When Bob's exit the house and he is out of range of Alex hotspot. So if Bob wants to send some kind of text or some kind of communication to the Alex, so what he's gonna do, because he is out of the network now. So let's say he wants to access camera at home, so he'll be needing port forwarding for that, because if he's away from his home network, he cannot access his camera at home. He wants to see who is in garage, he cannot see that. So there jumps in port forwarding. Port forwarding says, hey, I can help you in this way. So guys, enough with theory. This was just overview. So now we are going to have a practical demonstration. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to Ngrok. Just you can simply Google this Ngrok thing, and you have to click all over, and so we're going to start. So guys, if you don't have accounts on Ngrok, first we need to get a new account on Ngrok. We need to sign up. If you don't have your already account on Ngrok, just fill out the form and click on I accept and then sign up. So I'm not gonna waste my time on this specific thing because I already have account with Ngrok. So I'm gonna go with sign up with Google. There we go, guys. You can see it supports your Mac, your Linux, your Windows, FreeBSD. Everything that you need is already there. So if you are a Windows user, just go ahead and click on download for Windows. And if you're a Linux user, then you can simply download this in your Linux, and then you can unzip using these commands. We are specifically going with the Windows, so I'll go for Windows because this time I'm using the Windows operating system. So what I need to do is I just need to download it in my system, and then we'll see how it works. We will decompress the files. Once it's downloaded, I'll get back to you guys. So our download is being finished. So what we've got to do is we've got to just right click on Ngrok, and then we need to extract Ngrok in order to use it. So we have successfully extracted Ngrok. Then you've got to double click on Ngrok, and there we go, it is started. Now we simply need to copy this authentication tool which will authenticate our newly created account with outside of our network traffic. Just open it, and this authentication. So you can see that it's been configured in my directory. So what we now need to do is just to run it on a file. So we need to copy this in Ngrok, and then we need to paste this. Alright guys, so you can see our port forwarding is successfully being established. What you need to do is you need to just copy this specific link, and you need to send it to your friends, or for testing purpose or any purpose you want to verify port forwarding. So this was it, guys. We can see that our port forwarding has been enabled. So now if Alex wants to communicate with Bob, he is just out of his network, he can simply get this link and click on this link, and he can access anything that he has forwarded on this link. So guys, that's all from this video. So keep watching my channel, keep updating me in the comment section if you need anything. If you want me to talk on any specific app or something about cybersecurity, you can drop your comments in our comment box. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.